Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to unlock the power of the Webflow editor so you can update your website content quickly and easily without digging around in complex backend menus. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to access the Webflow editor, walk you through each step, and share some helpful tricks along the way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to smoothly get into your site's editor and feel much more comfortable managing your site. Let's jump right in. So you're already logged into your Webflow account and you're staring at your dashboard. This is where all of your different Webflow sites are listed. Think of it as your personal command center, where you can see every web project you're working on all in one place. Now the first step is to choose the site you want to edit. If you have a handful of sites, take a moment and make sure you're clicking into the right one. It's a little bit like picking a specific notebook off your shelf. Just double check that you have the correct project selected before you start making changes. Go ahead and click on the site's thumbnail or name, and that will take you to more details about that project. Once you're there, look for the button that says Open in Webflow. This button is your golden ticket. It's what takes you from the admin overview straight into the world where you can actually make adjustments and improvements to your live site. Click it once and after just a few seconds, Webflow will load your site in what's called the designer. Now you might be wondering, wait, isn't this the designer, not the editor? Great question. The designer is where you can build and design your site from scratch, but what we're focusing on today is the editor, which is a much simpler workspace perfect for making content changes. From here at the top right of your screen, you'll notice an editor button sometimes represented with a pencil icon. Sometimes it helps to imagine the designer and editor as different rooms in the same house. The designer is like the workshop with all the complex tools, and the editor is the comfy study where you update text and images. Go ahead and click on that editor button. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might take a moment to appear depending on your user permissions or the way your site is set up. If you're not the site owner, you might need an invitation from the owner to access the editor, so just keep that in mind. Once you click into the editor, congratulations, you're now in a streamlined, focused environment geared entirely toward updating your content. Here you can tweak text, swap out images, and publish updates with just a few clicks, no fear of breaking critical layouts or styles. It's designed to feel simple, even if you're brand new to Webflow, and any edits you make here will go live for your site's visitors as soon as you publish. And that's really all it takes. Just to recap, make sure you're logged in, choose the correct site in your dashboard, click Open in Webflow, and then tap the editor button at the top right. Now you've got all the control you need to keep your content fresh and relevant anytime you like. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It helps out the channel a ton. And if you have any questions or if there's another Webflow tip you want to learn, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical web design tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.